12-year-old Ethan had always been captivated by the legend surrounding the magical forest on the outskirts of his village. Tales of whispering trees, talking animals, and shimmering air filled his imagination, but no one had ever dared to explore its depths. One sunny afternoon, while playing near the forest's edge, Ethan noticed something unusual. As the sunlight filtered through the leaves, a hidden path began to appear. With curiosity bubbling inside him, he decided to step onto the path. The world around him seemed to change instantly. Trees began to murmur, animals greeted him in human language, and the very air seemed to sparkle with magic. Mesmerized, Ethan ventured deeper into the forest. It wasn't long before he encountered an ancient guardian, a majestic stag with glowing antlers. The stag introduced itself as Luminar and explained the dire situation. An ominous dark force was creeping into both the magical and human worlds, threatening to destroy the delicate balance between them. Luminar handed Ethan a mysterious map. Its lines and symbols shifted constantly, reflecting the ever-changing nature of the forest. "You are our only hope, Ethan," Luminar said gravely. "You must find and unlock the hidden powers of this forest before time runs out." Armed with nothing but his courage and the entrancing map, Ethan forged ahead. His journey was fraught with challenges. He encountered mythical creatures, each guarding a vital clue. A mischievous gnome offered him a riddle, a fierce griffin tested his bravery, and an ancient dryad shared secrets of the forest's ancient magic. Each encounter taught Ethan more about the enchanted woods and himself. Ethan's resolve strengthened with each step he took. He realized that the map was not just a guide, but a test of his own inner strengths, courage, wisdom, and perseverance. Time was running out. The dark forest loomed ever closer, casting long shadows over the magical forest. In a climactic final battle, Ethan faced the darkness head-on. Drawing upon the powers he had unlocked and the allies he had made, he managed to defeat the malevolent force. As the dark clouds dissipated, the forest burst into vibrant life once more. The trees sang joyous melodies, the animals danced, and Luminar bowed deeply before Ethan. He had saved both realms. Ethan returned to his village, forever changed by his adventure. The legends of old now bore his name, and the world was once again in balance. Yet, the hidden path always remained, now a testament to the bravery of a young boy who dared to venture into the unknown. And whenever sunlight hit the forest just right, whispers of Ethan's heroics could be heard, carried by the gentle breeze.